Understanding pros and cons, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, pros and cons. Understanding this phrase is not only useful for your everyday English but also helps in making informed decisions. So, let's get started. Pros and cons is a phrase used to describe the advantages and disadvantages of a certain decision, situation, or thing. The word pros refers to the positive aspects, while cons refers to the negative aspects. It's like weighing two sides of a scale to see which one is heavier or more significant. The phrase has its roots in Latin. Pros is a shortening of the Latin word pro, meaning for, and cons is from contra, meaning against. This linguistic background emphasizes the idea of looking at both sides of an argument or a decision. Using pros and cons is quite straightforward. For example, if you're thinking about moving to a new city, you might list the pros and cons. The pros might include better job opportunities, while the cons could be the distance from family. This phrase is helpful in discussions, debates, and even personal decision-making. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Before I decide on my vacation, I need to consider the pros and cons of each destination. 2. The manager discussed the pros and cons of remote work during the meeting. 3. Weighing the pros and cons is crucial before making a big investment. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of pros and cons. Remember, it's a handy phrase for discussing different aspects of a situation, especially when making decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.